Hey guys, take the time to like and subscribe. Follow me throughout this whole entire job until it's completed. I'm going to be posting the final walkthrough video soon. Hey, if you've seen my previous video, it's got us going through the barn, getting all the barn boards for this project. And now you can see us putting the table together, getting it all ready to go to put the barn boards down, plane it down, and make it into a table. We took each barn board and we took as many nails out of them as we could. Then we went ahead and ripped them into 1.5 inch, 2 inch, 2.5 inch widths. And then you can see we glued them down, finish nailed them down to this plywood. As you can see, I'm planing everything, getting it all to one level. Everything was kind of uneven, but I can't even tell you how many blades I went through getting this done. Once everything was planed, we went ahead and filled it in with a dark wood filler, and then went back over it with an 80 grit sandpaper, went back over it with a 120, got it real fine, and then took a router and routed out all the edges. This thing was a beast. It was super heavy. Took us 2 tries to try to get it in there just right, put it down, and now we're going to put the finish on it. This here is a butcher block conditioner. So I call it like a wood honey. It soaks up, it's real nice, looks beautiful when it's done. Check it out. As you can see, that looks beautiful. Hey, like and subscribe. And I've got another video coming out with the tile floor that you guys would be interested in the bathroom. So check it out. Thanks for watching.